Hello friends, in this problem we are given that in a square there is an equilateral triangle. ABCD is a square, right? And within that BPC is an equilateral triangle. What is the value of angle APD in degrees? What is this angle? Obviously this P will remain inside the square, right? Because BP is equal to BC, right? If we turn a little like this, it will coincide with A, right? As we move it inside, so obviously it will move into the square, right? So P will be inside the square, not outside the square, right? Because BP is equal to BA, because BPC is an equilateral triangle, BP is equal to BC, and because in a square, AB equal to BC, so BP equal to BA. So as we move P towards the right, P will move inside, not outside. Right. Now we have to find what is the angle APD in degrees. Right. What is this angle? First, let's write what we know. We know this is 60 degrees. This is 60. So this is also 60. This is also 60. Right. Similarly, we know this is equal to this. We just figured out because this is equilateral triangle. BP is equal to BC. That means BP is equal to AB because this is a square. What does that mean? This angle is equal to this angle. Right. Angles opposite in triangle ABP. ABP. In this triangle ABP, angles opposite to equal sides. That is this angle. BAP and BPA. These two are equal. And the diagram is symmetric, right? That means that angle is also equal to this angle, right? And because this is a square, this total angle is 90 degrees. What does that mean? This angle is 30 degrees, right? This angle is 30 degrees. Obviously, these two are equal. So total is 180 of this square of this triangle ABP. 180 minus 30, 150 should be shared between this and this. So this would be 75 and this is another 75. Right. If this is 75, this becomes 15. Right. Because this is again a right angle. Right. And again, this diagram is symmetric. So this is equal to this. So this is another 50. And this is another triangle, right? This is another triangle. If this is 15, this is 15. Obviously, this will become 180 minus 2 into 15. 180 minus 30. This is 150. Right. So that completes this one. This is 150 plus this is 75 plus 75. This is another 150 plus this is 60. So total is 360. That completes this circle. So what is APD? APD is actually equal to 150 degrees. Here, the problem is very easy. We just need to use very basic triangle properties that equilateral triangle angles are 60 degrees and right angle is 90 degrees and angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That's it. Very basic properties. Thank you guys.